Hello, this is a video tour of number 35 Ivy Road, located off of Stirchley High Street. A cul-de-sac location where there is space for off-road parking. The house itself has 2 bedrooms upstairs, a family bathroom upstairs, and on the ground floor there is a living room and a dining kitchen. Leading into the house, you've got the main entrance door ahead with a small step up, and that does take you through into reception room number 1. In the room there is a window to the front of the property. There is a ceiling light point, a radiator, there is laminate wood flooring. There is also a feature window seat where below you'll note that there are 2 doors providing access to storage and meters for the house. And there is also shelving either side of the recess. From the living room there is a door ahead leading through into the dining kitchen. In the room there are 2 windows overlooking the garden, a door leading into the garden itself. There are 2 ceiling light points, a radiator, tile effect flooring, and a kitchen comprising base units with wooden work surfaces over. There is a sink with a mixer tap, drainer unit and space for a bowl, under counter plumbing for a washing machine, space for a cooker on the right. There is also access to a pantry via the door in the corner, and there is an open understair storage area where there is space for a fridge freezer. From the kitchen there is a door via the corner with a staircase leading up to the first floor accommodation. On the first floor landing there is a ceiling light point, hatch access into the loft, a low level door providing access into a storage cupboard, and then there are doors to both the bedrooms and the family bathroom. Bedroom number 1 is a good sized double and is located at the front of the house. You have the window overlooking the road, ceiling light point, and there is a radiator and wood effect laminate flooring. Bedroom number 2 is located at the rear of the house and is currently being used as an office. In here there is a window overlooking the garden, a ceiling light point and a radiator on the left. In the family bathroom there is an obscured window to the rear, a ceiling light point, radiator. The walls are fully tiled and the flooring is also tile effect. There is a low level flush WC, pedestal wash hand basin, and there is a bath which does have an electric shower over. The rear garden can be accessed via the gated side entry and also from the kitchen, where there is a paved seating area with access to a gravel garden. On the left you have a feature tree, and at the rear of the garden there is an elevated patio with gravel surrounding. Please note that the vendor has informed Heritage that A neighbour does have access over the rear garden to the alleyway a couple of doors along. Now that does finalise the video tour for the house. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on the number provided and we will look forward to seeing you soon.